I don't know about you guys, but I always wanted to go to Cuba, the land of chia, rum, and Cuban cigars. Luckily, I live in Miami, Florida, where we have Little Havana. It's a Cuban district here in the middle of Miami, very vibrant, full of tastes and sounds. And today, guys, I want to invite you with me to thrift at the local Goodwill store in the heart of Little Havana, Cuban district here in Miami. Stay tuned because in the end of this video, I'm going to show you if I scored and what items did I pick. But before we go, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and ring that notification bell so you will never miss a new episode. Let's go! Okay guys, let's start our tour with some chickens. Yeah, I know, it's wild, but you can actually see chickens everywhere running in Little Havana, and it still amazes me to this day because, you know, you don't see free-range chickens in the cities that much, but yeah, it's kind of crazy. Just wanted to share with you of the vibe. We're now in Little Havana. We're starting our tour from the beginning of the street called Calle Ocho. By the way, there are roosters everywhere here in Little Havana. Basically, it's the symbol of the area. A lot of tourists here in Little Havana, as you can see. Tourists everywhere. You have a lot of restaurants here, a lot of shops. Everything is super vibrant and lovely. Yeah, it's a very lovely and vibrant neighborhood. You can also see a lot of stores here, like Cuban shops and restaurants. By the way, guys, this is El Santo, my favorite taco place, and I wanted to show you guys something super funny. As you can see, these business hours are very precise. I would say like super precise. Just check this out, guys. It's hilarious. Another symbol of Little Havana, as you can see. Lots of roosters are basically, as I've said, a symbol here. So you will see them everywhere on Calle Ocho. Oh, by the way, you can see these people buying Cuban coffee. If you never tried Cuban coffee, it's like, you know, basically a very strong coffee with absolute crazy amount of sugar. You basically make one sip and that's it. Your brain just explodes. A lot of cigar shops and juice vendors everywhere, of course, because, you know, it's almost like Cuba. Oh, by the way, this is a Domino Park. It's super lovely. You can see a lot of old folks here playing domino, but unfortunately we cannot go in, and not because of this very serious man. It's only open to people over 50, so yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, this is, in my humble opinion, the most colorful McDonald's in the United States. Just look at this. And they also have this alley of Hispanic stars, similar to Hollywood alley of stars. But yeah, just look at these walls, guys. It's super colorful. And now we're gonna try the most famous Cuban mojito ever, and it's also the most pricey mojito ever. This place is usually packed, but we're early today, so you don't see a lot of people, but usually there's like a line to this place. Okay, now walking the neighborhood is even better now when I have my mojito, but we're gonna tell YouTube that it's alcohol free.
To whiten my hair? A scream of fright.
Yeah, as you can see, this lady is rolling up a cigar. It's, you know, I was always amazed by how boring, oh, thank you, sir, by how boring and monotonous this work is. But yeah, rolling cigars is very interesting. I mean, you just sit this whole day and roll cigars from cigar leaves. I don't know. Okay, and now we're here at the colorful Goodwill here in the heart of Little Havana. As you can see, a lot of graffitis here. One of these graffitis is actually by the street artist called Vader, and there are also some other graffitis here. It's super vibrant and matches the whole vibe of Little Havana. Okay guys, let's go in. Okay guys, we're back and that was fun. I love Little Havana. It's like the most vibrant and lovely neighborhood here in Miami. But yeah, we were on a mission. So first things first, let me tell you the amount of investments. So I spent $34.92 at the local Goodwill store. And let me show you what I picked. Honestly, guys, I would probably add up that $14 mojito because there was one expensive mojito, but it was worth it because in the end of the day, it was the best Cuban mojito in the world. I'll be honest with you guys, that was super fun, but we did not score a lot. So let me show you what I did bring home. First things first, I found this Everlane pants in size 4. I checked comps and some of the comps says that they can sell for $30–40. Not much, but I still think that it's a decent profit margin given that they costed me only $3. So, yep. Next one is this puffer vest by the brand called Uniqlo. Whenever I came across this Uniqlo vests, I always pick them up. They called light down vest, and I think this is the hit by the brand Uniqlo. They are super light. You can, actually roll them, and they are, super effective during the winter, especially if you wear them underneath something as a second layer. So this is a great item to have, and I personally like picking them up because this one is always a quick flip. It costed me $6, and I usually sell those for $45–50. So I never, I always pick them up. This is a good find, and I personally love those vests. Next one, I actually ended up picking up some shoes, and these are from Sam Edelman. These are new collection because this is the new Sam Edelman logo versus the old one. They are almost in mint condition. They are size 8. This model calls Marlena, and yeah, they are very nice, almost in pristine condition. I checked the comps. They costed me $10, and yeah, some of those sold for $70 and more. So I think it's a good investment. I'm gonna try to flip them. So I definitely think that this is a solid find. Now my next item is newest tags, and every thrifter likes to pick up newest tags items at Goodwill. So this is my lovely brand Zara. I know guys, I'm obsessed with Zara, which is not true, but sometimes I do look like a Zara obsessed person. So this one is from Zara, newest tags, size S, and when I was checking comps on this sweater, I figured out that this one was really popular, so-called blogger's favorite. A lot of influencers had pictures in this sweater, so some of those comps look really good. It costed me $8, and I think it's a really good investment given that, I can probably get some decent amount for it. So yeah, thanks Zara, my bread and butter brand. And then I scored another Zara, and guess what? It was also newest tags. So this is this lovely mini skirt with gathered details in a lovely lilac/lavender/purple color. How do I, by the way, call this color? Like, I want to say purple, but sometimes when I go through the listings, people list it as lavender, lilac. I don't know. Good old purple works for me, but who am I to resist the progress? Maybe there is a better name for the color. So it's size M, it's with tags, and yeah, it costed me $6, and I also checked the comps. So as I said, not too bad, not too good. I think like $30 on an item that worth $6 is actually a good investment. So yeah, given that I also will have to pay percentage to the platform, I think it's still good. So, and again, like I have to list every day. This is one of those items I never pass. And then I had another skirt by Zara. Oh my gosh, like honestly, is she obsessed? I probably am. So this is like high-lows mini skirt with this, nice asymmetric detail and gold buttons. I also checked comps on this one, and it's also bloggers and influencers favorite. Yay, we like those because they are overhyped, sold out, and you can always get a decent price for it versus, you know, just a regular skirt. Yeah, I like this one. This is size medium, which is, you know, one of the most common sizes, so I won't have any problems flipping that. So yeah, I love this one, already listed. So, and last but not least, I scored a pair of Converse sneakers, but these are a collaboration with the brand called Comme des Garçons, and they were like really popular. It's the brand called Play. They are decorated with like this lovely little hearts with eyes, and you know, these are in a great condition. Just so you know, guys, when I brought them back, I steamed the top to make sure that all the germs are killed, and I wiped everything with Lysol wipes. So yeah, that's why I'm like touching the shoe, touching my face. No, I'm not a creep, like everything is taken care of. So that's why yeah, these are Chuck Taylor collaboration with Comme des Garçons. These are in size 7. Which is really good, and I checked the comps. Some of them are sold for a really good price. They costed me $10, and as I said, condition is like really good, so I'm sure I'm not gonna have any trouble selling them. So this is a great find. And by the way, this is my size, so I'm kind of, I don't know, I'm in such huge temptation. So that was it, guys. Let me know in the comments down below, do you like this sort of vlog videos, and let me know which brands do you guys prefer to pick up at your local Goodwill stores, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.